everyone. How are y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on today. Today I am making a fruit and yogurt parfait that I want to share with y'all. You know, you can buy these at restaurants and stuff, but I want to make my own. And so we're going to make our own on today. And this will save you money. This is enough where you can make, I don't know how many. These here are our ingredients. I have some granola. It's honey roasted granola. I have some vanilla yogurt and some whole berry medley with no sugar added. Okay, and I also got this little glass. So, but you can use whatever kind of container. You can put it in a bowl, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make my fruit and yogurt parfait. Okay, what I'm getting ready to do now, I'm getting ready to put it together. Show y'all. Okay. You can layer this, okay? I put my yogurt, then I'm gonna put my fruit. It all depends on how many fruits you want in here. Y'all, the reason why I'm doing this is because I have got some comments from people that has diabetes. I decided to do this because I like these. I love these parfaits. Okay, just move it around in there. Okay, you can just, like I say, layer them. Put some more fruit. Some more yogurt. This is a good little, little dessert. See how pretty that is? Okay. Now this is what you do. Let me wipe this off. This is what you do. Like if you're not going to eat this right now, you can just set it. You can cover it and just set it in the refrigerator. You can set it in the refrigerator, and then you can top it with the granola. But see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and, as I'm fixing this, I think my husband wants one. And so, I'm going to go ahead. Put this on top. Because this granola has honey in it, so it's not so bad for you. Okay? Here you go. Here's my parfait. And now, if you wanted to, you can keep going. You can keep layering it. But this all I'm going to put in this. Okay? Okay, now I'm getting ready to make another one. I'm going to make this one a little bit taller than I did the other one, okay? And y'all, these are good for you because there's no sugar added. You can do it whatever way you want to do it. If you can put more yogurt in there, it's up to you. Now I built this one up to the top. Y'all see? Now I'm adding my granola on top. If you don't like the granola, you don't even have to have this. That's just something I just wanted to share. Okay, that's the fully loaded one. And then if you can't have that much, you just make a small one. I want to share with everyone to show them that they can make their own fruit and yogurt parfait. Okay, this is something quick and easy to do. If you want a little snack, something you want it, it's better than having a candy bar, Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to close. I hope y'all have a blessed day. and bye-bye for now.